Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. We're learning the song Jambalaya in our beginner's ukulele class. Gosh, there's only two chords. We're in the key of C, so there's a C, and there's a G7. I would suggest you really work with making that C chord with your baby finger because it makes the transition to the G7 a whole lot easier. And we were talking about various fancies we can use to embellish these two chords. For example, with a C chord, I'm going to add an extra note with my index finger. It looks like this. And with my right hand, I'm just strumming down on the beat, keeping my right hand really simple. I'm pressing my index finger into the G string, 2nd fret, on the 2nd and 4th beats. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're fancying up the G7 form by lifting one of our fingers off the fretboard, the ring finger. It's on the A string. We're going to try and lift it on the 4th beat of a measure. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So looking at the introduction where we have 2 measures of G7 and 2 measures of C, let's apply these two techniques. 2, 3, 4, G7, C, goodbye Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. So I kept going a little bit there. So we can use this song as a template to learn these fancies. We also explored one other thing that has quite a bit more complexity, and it is an embellishment for the C chord. And we're using 3 notes from what is known as the pentatonic scale in the key of C. And all the action is on the A string. And we're starting off with a C form. And then we're sliding to the 7th fret, 5th fret, and back to the 3rd fret. It looks like this in context. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to try to do this when we're not singing, because our brains just have so much bandwidth, and we're singing at the same time. We're the rhythm section, we're the band, and I know that when I'm performing, I want to keep things simpler when I'm actually singing. It's when I'm not singing that I can throw in a fancy or two. So we're sliding. We want to take that ring finger or your baby finger. In this case, you might want to use your ring finger. Do not take it off the fretboard, but we're going to lighten the touch and do some traveling, going from the 3rd fret to the 7th. So that's the motion you're going to want to isolate first, just taking aim. And here's a suggestion. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, at first, you might not land where you want to land. You might land on the 6th fret or the 8th fret or somewhere in between. It takes a lot of woodshedding to do these slides and hit the target. So let's try this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an embellishment you can throw in too, as is. The one that I'm doing is a 1, 2, 7th fret, 5th fret, and back to 1. So that's a quick slide. Let's try this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Where could we throw this in? Let's look at that intro. We got our G7. Now watch this. Goodbye, Joe. I'm doing a boom chukka with my right hand. Here's our tempo. We're going 110 beats per minute. So I'm going tap, down, up, tap, down, up, tap. Or you can just do a down, down, down. Better yet, a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up to get started. We also talked about catching that G string with our thumb and going 1 and then splaying our fingers. So it looks like this. 1. Do you see that? That's a very cool technique as well. So all these choices. Starting note is E. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye, Joe. We gotta go. Me, oh, my, oh. Me gotta go. Pull the pirogue down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one. Me, oh, my, oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and big gay-o. Son of a gun, we'll have a big fun on the bayou. T-board to a fondue. The place is buzzing. Kinfolk come to see Yvonne by the dozen. Dress in style, go hog wild. Me, oh, my, oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. A jambalaya, a crawfish pie, a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me, oh. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and gay-o. Son of a gun, we'll have a big fun on the bayou. Settle down far from town, get me a pirogue, and I'll catch all the fish on the bayou. Swap my mom to buy Yvonne what she need, oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Oh, a jambalaya, a crawfish pie, a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me, oh. big guitar, fill fruit jar, and bingo. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Woohoo! I got a bunch of tutorials parked on my website, so come check it out. www. How many W's? www.calirose.com. Thanks for watching, you guys, and listen. Happy strumming.